Hey everyone, today we are going to solve the LeetCode question stone game. Okay, let's write the code. First of all, so we sort piles because Alice can control the game, right? So let's say reverse equal true. And then Alice and Bob equal 0 and 0. And then for I in range and length of piles, and then if I %2 equal 0, in the case add current piles to Alice. So A plus equal piles and I, else Bob plus equal piles and I, and then return A greater than B. Yeah, so let me submit it. Okay, so actually we don't need this kind of code. So we know that Alice always wins, so that's why return true. That's it. So let me submit it.